Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the conjunction. What is it and how we use it, how to apply in the sentences. Okay, so first of all you should know about conjunction. Conjunction is a word to arrange the two sentences. Like it is, you can say it is just like a glue. Like the glue we are joining, we are used to join something. As like that, we are using conjunction to join the sentences. So the first one, link words. As you all know, that connect individual words. Like here I'm writing cats and dogs. These are very simple. Like if we want to connect the two things, two person, two animals, whatever the things, we have to use conjunction because these are known as joining word. Link phrases. What are the phrases? I will explain in another video, but just a brief. That phrases, there is no subject, no any other like verb is there, but still they are giving the meaning. Like this, in the park or at home. Okay. Link clauses. Clauses, let me again give the brief introduction about clauses. Clauses are where there is a subject also, verb also, but still it gives the partial meaning. It is not giving the complete sensible meaning. Okay. She ran because she was late. She ran because is a joining word, means it is a conjunction. See, so here are the very easy way to learn the conjunction. Fanboys. F stands for A and, N nor, B but, O or, Y yet, S O. These are very common conjunction which you are using in your daily conversation also. Okay, let's move. Here are coordinating conjunctions. What are the coordinating conjunction and actions? So first of all, you should aware that for, why we are using for. For we use mostly for the reason. If we want to add some reason, then we use for words. And we use for addition. Let me highlight it. Addition. Okay. The third one, nor. Nor we use for the negative words. Like if we don't want to use not, because it is not look like, it is very common to use not, but we can add neither, nor. And next one is but. But we use for the contrast. If we want to say something and if we want to join the sentences, two sentences which is opposite to each other. I can do this, but not this time. So here I am showing the contrast. Next one, or. Or we mostly we use for the choice. Like in your question paper, you found that there is giving you this conjunction or. It means you can choose either the first one or the part of that question. Okay. Yet also we use for the contrast. He studied hard, yet he failed the test. It means he studied hard. Yet. In Hindi we used to say yet, fir bhi. He failed the test. Or we can add like although he studied hard, but still he failed. So we use for the result. If we want to tell any result, like what is the outcome, then we add so. It was raining, so we stayed inside. Okay, next slide. The, because, bunch, subordinate conjunction. Now let me explain you. See, subordinate conjunctions connect a dependent clause. Dependent clause to an independent. Dependent clause, ye connect. It is connecting dependent clause to independent clause. Like they reveal relationship. Like time, cause, condition and contrast. See, here are some subordinate conjunction. Because, when, before, although, if, since, unless, so that, while, after. These are known as subordinate conjunction. Few more, like because, as you all know that it is very common. We always use such words because it is very common. And why we are using because? Because of use for the reason. Although, concession. Although she was nervous, she gave a great speech. Although we use, in Hindi we used to say yadyapi. It means although in English. Although she was nervous, she gave a great speech. Okay, we are using when also for the time. Call me when you arrive. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are available. Like these sentences we use. If we use only for the condition. If you study, you will pass. If you came on time, then you will get the particular thing, whatever the. See, the dynamic duo, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions, either or. Either or. We always use it together. Either or. Okay. Next, neither nor, both, and, not only but also, whether or. These are the conjunction which we use only for the all together. Okay. Let me give you some example also. Not only is he smart, he is also kind. Yes, here we are talking about correlative conjunction in action. The first one, either or. Either or, I already told you that or we use for the choice. Okay. So in this, you can have either cake or ice cream. See how to use neither. Double negative, where we want to use the double negative, then we use this conjunction. Next, both and. Inclusion. Why so? Both the dog and the cat are sleeping, where we are talking about the two things. So we use this conjunction, both and. Not only but also. Emphasis. Not only did she win the race, but she also broke the record. At what time we are using such conjunction, not only and but also? Where we have to tell or we have to force anything, like emphasis on any sentence. That time we use not only and we have to add with, join with but also. Here are some more things which we can add in our conjunctions. Like the first one, using conjunction well, the difference between basic writing and powerful writing. Through the conjunction, with the help of conjunction, you can write very powerfully, or you can say it looks very interesting, and the readers also like to read such sentences. Combine short, choppy ideas into smooth, flowing thoughts. Clear relationship. Show exactly how your ideas connect. There should be a cause, contrast, or any kind of condition. Sophisticated style. Sound more polished and mature in essay, stories. See where we can use it. Mostly we use in essays, essay writing, story writing, and speeches, because here we have to join lots of words. So that time we use mostly conjunctions. Last but not the least, it's a practice makes perfect. Now it is not only the matter of man, anyone can be perfect. Okay, so first of all, which things you need to keep in your mind? The first one, read actively. If you will read actively, definitely your reading skill or your writing skill, both can be improved. The first, spot conjunction in books, articles, songs. Notice how they connect ideas. Second one, write daily. This is also very important, that if you start writing in a regular way now, so definitely your speaking as well as your writing both can be improved. Challenge yourself to use all three types of conjunction in your next paragraph. It is a task that which you need to do at at your home as a homework. Secret weapon. What is the secret weapon in conjunctions? See, conjunctions are your shortcut to sounding like a confident, skilled writer. If you are using conjunction in your speaking, so definitely it will improve your speaking strategies, that you can speak very confidently. Which you need to remember, every great writer started exactly where you are. So keep practicing.